In this video, I'll demonstrate how to do the stock taking in WinkSell. Our first step in this regard would be the addition of the stock period by clicking on the Add Stock Period in the menu item. Then, by clicking on the Add Count button here. Please note that only the license holder account can add a stock period. Let's proceed by selecting the branch from this drop-down for which you're creating this stock count period. Give the stock count a name and select the duration for which you will be doing the stock taking, and click on the Add button. Please also note that only one stock period can be created at a time against each branch. Now, let's move to the stock taking interface. The first field here shows the stock count period with its duration, which we just created. If nothing shows here, the stock taking won't occur. Search and select the product from here. This system OHQ indicates the available quantity for this item. If that doesn't match what you have physically, feed the actual OHQ field as per the available quantity. The quantity difference will be shown here. Please note that two types of transactions will be recorded here: surplus and deficit. If the actual quantity is more than the system's recorded quantity, the system will create a surplus transaction at zero cost, assuming that quantity has already been paid for. If the actual quantity is less than the system's recorded quantity, the system will create a deficit transaction at the purchase price, assuming those items were already sold but not recorded in the sale. Once you are ready to post the stock count, double-check the quantities. Now, if you are wondering how many products are still pending, you can check them by clicking the View Left Items button here, which will open the list of pending items. To stop the counting process, log in to the system using license holder logins. Go to the Add Stock Period interface and look for the recently added stock count period and the Resolve button in front of it. Clicking that will ask you to choose an option. Please make your choice carefully and click Resolve. That's all for the stock taking. And to learn about other interfaces, please watch our other videos.